Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by parking and confirming safety. Do this now. Plug your Android or iPhone into the Honda City USB port and unlock the phone. Once done, allow Android Auto or Apple CarPlay permissions on the phone screen so the car recognizes the device. Make sure Bluetooth is off if you want USB audio. Alternatively, enable Bluetooth for wireless audio. This initial link hands the audio channel to the car while keeping video restricted for safety. Once your phone is connected, open YouTube or, preferably, YouTube Music to get consistent audio playback. If you have YouTube Premium, you can play audio in background and switch apps. Otherwise, keep the app foregrounded. Select the car's USB/CarPlay or the phone's Bluetooth as the audio output in the phone's player or system audio settings. Make sure the Honda's media source matches. Switch the head unit to the USB or Bluetooth input so the speaker output transfers properly. To finish, test playback and adjust volume on both your phone and the Honda City head unit until levels match. If you hear nothing, unplug and replug the USB cable, try a different cable, or forget and repair Bluetooth in both phone and car settings. These steps clear common handshake issues. Finally, remember, playing YouTube video on the head unit is blocked for safety. Watch video only on the phone while parked. If problems persist, restart the phone and the car infotainment system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.